this channel was created to educate men, to help men become better in every aspect of life. We want your life to improve and become more valuable. We want you to be a high-value man. So in this video, I will tell you 5 physical features you need to improve as a man to look more attractive to women and other men. These tips will also boost your value, increase your confidence, and make people respect you more. Pay special attention to number 4. It is the most valuable point and you can't afford to miss it. Let's go into the points. Number 1, your hair. If you want to become more attractive as a man, your hair is one of your physical features you should improve. Never leave your hair fully grown and bushy. It makes you look unkempt and 5 years older than your age. It makes you look unclean and reduces your value. Ensure you trim your hair weekly. If your hair grows too quickly, cut it twice a week. Shape your beard properly to look neat and well kept. This will make you look more attractive and boost your confidence. You also need to try different hairstyles to see what suits you better. I know you like your current hairstyle, but a different style might look better on you. So if you want to maximize your look, try different hairstyles to discover what works better with your face. That will make you more attractive. Number 2, your teeth. Your teeth are one of the most important features of your body you should work on. Fixing your teeth increases your attractiveness by 40%. Studies show that people who have their teeth fixed smile often, look younger, and have more confidence. So if you want to look younger and attractive, you have to fix your teeth. There is great charm in having a great smile. People will compliment your teeth whenever you smile, and that will boost your confidence. Visit the dentist at least every 6 months to scale and polish your teeth to keep your mouth healthy and fresh. If you have a brown or not so white teeth, you can book an appointment for teeth whitening. Nobody wants to deal with a guy walking around with brown teeth. Having white teeth will make people lean towards you more because it shows that you love yourself and you are putting effort into making even the hidden parts of your body better. Number 3, your muscles. If you want to maximize your look as a man, you have to hit the gym to have a great body. Putting on muscles on your chest, biceps, triceps, and traps will make you look more masculine and attractive to both men and women. If you have a great body, people will respect you more, and women will begin to treat you differently. A guy's attractiveness journey will never be complete without working on having a great body. Having a great body first maximizes your appeal to people before they pay attention to other features. It makes you look like a real man, and women will lean towards you more because they love muscular and masculine men. People on the street who do not know you will also look at you uncontrollably and compliment you in their minds because only 1 out of 20 guys has a great body. So people will definitely compliment you and treat you better. If you want to look more attractive and become the lady's choice, book that gym session now and start working on your muscles to look more attractive. Number 4, your face. If you want to look attractive as a man, you must maximize the look of your face. This is very important. Studies show that men with an attractive face look 50% more attractive than others. So if you really want to look more attractive, you must invest in your face, get good skincare products, and have a routine to wash and clean your face. Get moisturizers and skin lotions with nutrients that will make your face spotless and neat. Get sunscreen to avoid sunburn, and also get skin maintenance products to get rid of acne and fix your oily face. Having a great face will make you look younger and more attractive. Having a skincare routine to take care of your face is not feminine. Do not listen to people who say that. You have to give your face maximum attention. Wash it and apply skincare products in the morning and at night before you go to bed to get quick results. If you have a complicated or sensitive skin, consult a dermatologist or a cream expert to recommend what will suit your skin. Number 5. Your voice. Your voice is one feature that will project you to others, even when your physical features are not seen. A man with a deep and strong voice becomes more attractive than other guys with a soft voice. So if you want to become more attractive as a man, you must work on the tone of your voice. We can't determine what our original voice sounds like, but we can control and adjust it to sound as we want. You can work on your breath and consciously speak slowly to speak with a deep voice. One sure way to speak with a deep voice is to speak from your stomach instead of from your throat. Always speak like the words are coming out from your belly, and speak slowly whenever you want to talk. Practice speaking with a deep voice while you're alone at home. Switch voices until you're okay with a particular tone. Then try to maintain it. Try to replicate it consciously while speaking with family and friends. Practice often so it becomes part of you, and you'll notice how your speaking pattern will change within a few months. Women love men with deep and husky voice because it makes the speaker look more masculine and attractive. So if you want to be more attractive to others, you also need to develop a deep voice. These are the features you must improve as a man if you want to appear more attractive than you are now. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.